Remember, the secret is to lift up that shingle and then slide it under. And then snap it in place. Put it in, you make the measurement, the length of it, and it cuts with scissors. Not the easiest cut, but it does cut. Piece, and it might not fit right here because this is screwed down with flashing, but it should. Try to pick it up, slide it. This one's going to have to get a little trim right here. Make the measurement, cut it. Just need to take off about 1 inch. Now it should maybe fit. Not quite. There we go. And then you snap them in place. Then we'll come back and put some screws in here to help.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.